Court is calling 2024 CR 4295, State versus Louis Beltran. Could I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Arlene Gay for Mr. Beltran.
And are you Mr. Beltran?
Yes, Your Honor.
And counsel, you've received all discovery and reviewed it with your client?
I believe I've received everything and I've reviewed discovery with my client.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Beltran, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we are waiving count one. We are proceeding on count one, waiving count two and count three.
Any objection?
No objection.
Right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand in count one, you're charged with aggravated robbery? That's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Because the state is proceeding on the habitual enhancement allegations, if those are proven to be true, then your range of punishment will be at a minimum of 25 years in the prison and up to life or a $10,000 fine. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Beltran, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. And so the record can be clear. We were in the middle of a jury trial on this case, and you're freely and voluntarily deciding that you no longer wish to continue with that jury trial and you wish to enter into a plea bargain agreement.
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Beltran, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on count one. You're to agree that you've been previously convicted of 1 or 2 or more felonies for enhancement under 1242. Punishment is to be assessed at 30 years in the prison. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, no applications, and there's to be restitution to Sugar Leaf Smoke Shop. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
Yes, there has, Your Honor.
Then to count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
To the first enhancement paragraph, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
To the second enhancement paragraph, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
State offer states one in attachments.
No objection.
All right, did you state you may be excused? Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty, and based upon your guilty plea in states exhibits 1 and attachments. And also the court will find both enhancements true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
My client would like you to follow the plea. And did you have anything you wanted to say to the judge? If you don't, that's okay, dear.
No, Your Honor.
All right, the court will sentence you to 30 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be restitution, if any, to Sugar Leaf Smoke Shop. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Was this all worth it?
No, Your
No.
Honor.
And so now you're looking at 30 years in prison for something that wasn't even worth it.
Yeah.
And the lady who testified was terrified, and she had every right to be terrified. And you're the cause of that. You're going to have to stop leaving destruction in your wake. Otherwise, you know what's going to end up happening? Either you may end up getting killed, or either you're going to be in prison for the rest of your natural life. You understand? Do better. All right, good luck to you.